In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy VPS hosting on Hostinger. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step, ensuring you make the most informed decision. When choosing a web hosting plan, several key factors come into play, including support, performance, server resource allocation, pricing, and security features. Hostinger provides a variety of virtual server plans, with options beginning at $4.99 per month. While the plans vary in server hardware resources, they consistently offer features like snapshot and root access support. You can easily upgrade your plan anytime through Hostinger's user-friendly control panel, H-Panel. Moreover, Hostinger's VPS plans come equipped with robust security features like Suhosin PHP hardening and offer the Kodi AI assistant to streamline management tasks. Once you've purchased a VPS hosting plan, you'll want to set it up by accessing the VPS tab at the top menu of H-Panel. Click on Setup for your selected plan, enter all necessary data, and choose your preferred operating system template. Hostinger supports most Linux distributions, such as CentOS, Ubuntu, and Debian. Keep in mind that switching operating systems later will erase your data, so ensure you make the right choice from the start. Next, let's log into your VPS using Secure Shell or SSH. In the VPS management menu, navigate to Overview and then SSH Access to locate your server's IP address, default SSH port, and root login credentials. macOS or Linux users can directly use these details in their terminal to connect by entering the command provided there. After inputting the command, you'll be prompted for your root password to establish a secure connection. For Windows users, an SSH client such as PuTTY will be necessary. After installing PuTTY, launch the program and input your server's IP address and default SSH port, which is 22. Click Open, then enter your VPS root username and password. Note that the password remains hidden for security purposes. With your VPS connected, you can begin configuring its settings. If you're looking to improve security from the get-go, consider changing the default SSH listening port, which is an effective measure against unauthorized access. You can also opt to use H-Panel's built-in terminal available through any web browser to manage your VPS. Updating your VPS is crucial to maintain security and performance. To do so, commands need to be run to check and install updates. Depending on the Linux distribution you're using, the commands differ. For CentOS-based systems, use DNF update, followed by DNF upgrade. After all updates are complete, don't forget to reboot your VPS to ensure they take effect. For even more security and flexibility, consider creating new SSH users with super user permissions that require adding a sudo prefix to execute commands. This minimizes the risk associated with using the root account. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to setting up a secure, efficient VPS hosting environment on Hostinger tailored to your needs. Make sure to check out the various features and explore the customization options available, as Hostinger offers a wide range of tools to enhance your VPS experience.